guys, welcome back to the channel. I will have some updates for you guys in this video, but first, I've been neglecting this car for far too long. You know, just been parked here, and you know what I mean, I need to work on it. I mean, it's running fine, it's just the lights, the park light. I know police stopping people for everything from the other day, so I don't want to be stopped for, you know, something like this, for missing park light and, you know, all that stuff, broken headlights. So I just leave the car here. So I'm gonna see if I can I got everything for it. I've been having everything for it, but I just was focusing on the other cars. So I need to get this done. I'm gonna try and work on it. The light look a bit funny. It's gonna get dark. It looks rainy. So I need to finish this car. I need to clean up the Black Series because my wife says she hasn't driven in it since I wrapped it. So I'm gonna clean that up because we're gonna take that out tomorrow to an event. So let me get this sorted out, and hopefully we can even have the 190e Mercedes running in this video. So we're doing a little unboxing. These are the side, what do you call these? Covers for the fog lights. I'll call it that. We have the headlights, guys. Headlights are in here. Let's see if it's the same thing. That's the first thing I should have done, right? Check the headlights. Alright, let's do that. Let's check the headlights. So my plan is to buy cars, resurrect them, buy cars that can be easily modified. And this car, there's not much you can do. Exhaust. So we can call this car done. It's here, hibernating. It's on trickle charger. So the beast is just resting. And that's the goal for all my cars. To finish them, fix them, park them, then we'll buy new cars. Because when you're done, I mean, although cars are never done, there's always something new you can do to the cars. The plan is just to have them driving, so whatever changes you're going to make is something that is not going to have them parked for a long time, in garage for a very long time and all that stuff. So I want to get them to a point where, you know, whatever changes we're making to the cars are like cosmetic changes, like, you know, probably a wrap, you know, probably, you know, wheels, like stuff like that, that is not, you know, something that is going to cause the cars to break down on the road, have the cars running reliable. And that's where, you know, all this that I'm doing to the 190e comes in play. I'm making that car very reliable. I'm getting best of all worlds, you know what I mean? Toyota for reliability, Mercedes for comfort, and for performance, BMW. And thanks to Turbolamic, all of that is possible, you know, to put the BMW transmission to the JZ and put all of that to the Mercedes to make one solid car. So that's what we're doing. We're going to head to damage now, where we're trying to finalize everything and get the car running. We just received a few packages. Let's open these and see what's inside. All right, so this is the oil sump. The last video I told you guys that it was very expensive. Well, I mean, I don't think it won't change because the one on the car has like 4,000 miles on it, but yeah, let's change it. I don't think they poured the oil in the engine yet. Hopefully they didn't. And it comes with new bolts as well and a new oil bung. Let's open this. This one has LED bulbs. I know it's a bolts, but I didn't order any bolts. And there's no LED bolt, LED bulbs. Maybe there are LEDs and bolts inside. No, it's LED bulbs, yeah. And this one says toy car, so obviously there's a toy car inside. Like a Lambo. A Lambo inside. Alright guys, so the machine, bad machine underneath the 190E, but I have no fear. Still doing some work. Yeah. So I'm at the template for the shifter. For the where the shifter go. Well, you guys will see. Yeah. So this will go over this, so everything will look like carbon fiber. Yeah. This is a 4E or 5E? 5E. Yeah. Just I learn, well, I know a tighter engine, but I can't tell them different. Like, you know, like I can't look on the under them, and yeah. Yeah.
It's
but
over 600 already, you know?
Yeah. Well, they ain't good engineer, you know, man. I bulletproof them sitting there, you know, man. Yeah, man. Machine, you know. Sick though. Mechanical fuel pump. All that. Yes, front mount turbo. Warrior. So it's our 10 second?
Yeah, run 10-1 already.
10-1? 1, 2.
Now the Puffy move it go 9-7.
Mm-hmm. You have a record? This is a record?
Yeah, before. Puffy dab it first, that him detect it. Him run a faster 10-1 than Puffy.
That's our front wheel drive?
Front wheel drive. Well, for the Starlet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Starlet record?
Yeah. And the record there, 9-1 now.
Oh God.
For the unders.
Oh God, oh gosh. No easy. Alright guys, so this, we'll go over this and then we're using about the BMW shifter cover. So it looks something like this. Mad.
oil never in there.
That's another thing, so. Unless you put oil in there. Look, run them from a torque converter. Look at I run from the torque converter going there.
And just spin it.
New sump. The change of plans, guys. We had to shift from that design that we had before. This is where we're at now. This is the design we're at now. So we're gonna this have to clean up and all that stuff, but yeah, this is how we're gonna use it because the way we wanted to before, it's not gonna work. So now we're pulling up the car to run the wiring through the firewall. And almost done.
Yes, brother.
Yeah, man. Low and smoke.
It's a drought. I should have been there, so I say, see the whole firewall is light up and I spin.
Alright, guys, so transmission is plugged in, wire harness gone up in the car. I mean, obviously the car up on the lift now, so I can't show you guys that, but yeah, we'll bring it down a little bit. So it's gonna bring down the car, guys, so we can look up top. Alright, so the wire loom gone through here, and then I go inside now. Then come through this, so we're gonna put the ECU inside the pocket. Then all of these wires are gonna run to everything, every different sensors. This go to the shifter, this go to the screen, you know, the other one goes to something else, and then these go to whatever else it's supposed to go to. Everything is all labeled. We have the over there, we have the diagram for everything. This just need to tape, two-side tape. We're gonna clean this, wrap it, make it nicer. Yeah, man, so we're looking good. Everything looking good, man. So that's another update. Wire harness running in the car. Finish, fit up the shifter part. So it's just a wiring left. Well, we need to pour the oil in the transmission, the pan change as well. So big update coming along. Like I said, I think weekend we're gonna drive. Only thing leave now is the electrician to come and finish up. So yeah, stay tuned, like and subscribe, and we'll see you.